Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glovo. You will click on settings. Here in this list you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Glovo and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Glovo. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.